island, very beautiful island.
Yes, that's so exciting.
Yes, there are a lot of things here and you can see with me. And now we are going to the Gulang island that is located at the southwest part of the Xiamen. You know, local food is very famous here. And you can see the nearest part of Xiamen. There is a Dongshan. That is also famous for seafood.
That this island has a very long history.
Oh, really?
During Ming Dynasty, it's not called the Gulang Island. It's called the Yuanshazhou. It's another Chinese spell.
Yuanshazhou.
Yes, and during that dynasty, there was a national hero, very famous, called Zheng Chenggong.
Oh, I saw a statue.
Yeah. Let's go there.
Oh, let's go.
Here we finally come to the Chenggong statue.
Oh.
And he is really a very famous, our national hero. And since later Ming Dynasty, his troops were stationed here at Xiamen Gulang.
Oh, really? So Gulang have a very long history.
Yes.
Very nice.
Definitely.
It's very funny. Ooh.
The color looks like purple.
Correct. And the inside designing is very unique. It's natural.
Yes.
Yeah, natural cutting and it's really looking beautiful. This is a unique design. People used to just cut it and just put something inside, but right, like now we are walking here and it's looking very natural feeling.
Yes. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yes, the view of sea and the weather is very beautiful in the morning.
Yes. Do you know what road is called?
Can you tell me?
Yes, it's called the Huandao Road. It means that this is the road around the Siming district of Xiamen.
Wow.
Oh, here is the famous museum square.
Wow, music square.
Yeah, and we can see all the musicians, their introduction on every stone.
Wow, it's really nice. They have these musicians from Russia.
Yeah. It
Wow.
has very rough introduction of it.
This stone also have a history. Wow.
So every stone has its own music story.
Yeah, it's really nice. I think this garden or this square have a unique theme. Every stone have a story.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Look, they are dancing.
Yeah.
And I think, close to nature, the weather and the seaside view and all are dancing
Yes.
in a good sequence. This street is very beautiful and in the whole day you can see lot of people come here and record videos and you can click pictures here. There are so many beautiful locations, modern and ancient buildings together here. Some kind of temple in front of you can see, and the architecture of the buildings are old architecture and the new architecture are together here. Hello everyone, I am in Xiamen. Global investor and traders are gathering here for 23rd China International Fair for Trade and Investment. Let's see what new and fun technology will be here. Let's go.
像红绿灯的话，它也会感应到这东西啊，通过电流。
对对。
用你的最快速度骑哈，这个是500米，然后这个灯。
Oh wow! It's really quite impressive. doing sport with the AI technology. So many machines are working. They are measuring my height, my weight, and doing lot of things. I'm very excited to know about this machine.
大力执行动作。
So 那边是这是9、10。Oh, so I have burned 7 calories and practice for 35 seconds. It worked on these muscles. Oh, really impressive. So it's going to share all the information with the practitioner. As you can see, the interesting thing in this machine is it's powered by solar. So you can see this kind of open gym you can establish outdoor, and it works by solar. It no need any kind of electricity. So you can say this is very quite impressive, really very quite impressive thing. When we talk about the green future, BYD is a company in China. They are leading all kind of electronic vehicles, and this is not only in China but in the whole world. BYD is the #1 electronic vehicle company. Let's ask them how these kinds of electronic vehicle work, or what kind of specification they have that made them different from others.
打开前部车窗。啊，这个啊，你看我说一下，它可以执行我的这个指令嘛啊。你比如说，你好，小迪。导航到厦门北站。
你要选择第几个？
第一个。
好嘞。跟着小迪出发了。
这样我开车的时候，就是说手就不用离开这个方向盘，不用去操作这个界面，我直接可以用语音来控制说，我要叫这个车子做什么事情。
健康检测，点一下。
请测量身高体重，您可以手动输入，或使用身高体重秤进行测量。您已完成身高体重测量，将双臂伸直，与身体测量体温前，请拿起体温枪，点击保存按钮。
Wow, it's really amazing. I can see my whole body report in my phone. I'm very impressive, and look from the outside it's very a small clinic, and the size, wow, very small. This is the size, and you can bring anywhere, and it's very impressive. In the future, all the villages or rural area definitely will have this kind of a small clinic, and all the old people can quickly get their results in few seconds on their phone. This is the effect of 5G. So friends, this car is very innovative and very impressive. I am very excited. And you know, this is the driverless car. 2 people can sit inside, and it has so many latest technology, and this is very safe. Every time police cannot reach everywhere, but this van can go, and this van can go in the public area and give you the security and give you the guarantee of the security. We will discuss smart agriculture here because the second rural revitalization expo here going. So let's go with me and find something crazy or something new in the agriculture, how agriculture will be smart, or some new technologies will be here, and what the Chinese government made some new implementation in the agriculture. Let's go with me. 秃顶白茶。
拿这是不是？
好喝。平淡到鲍鱼。很美。This is tofu, little hot, but let's try. 好吃。好。 Chinese farmers are using drones for boosting their agriculture products. Let ask them how the drone technology helping all the farmers. Hello, 你好。
你好，你好。
我们要问你们怎么样这个帮农业的人，怎么样帮农村的人？
哦，农村的人是这样，比如说像我们现在这一台呢是一台灭火无人机，但是同时呢，我们如果换掉这个灭火弹以后，我们可以帮农村的农民去做这个运输。